Hello, beautiful friends, and welcome. Today we're going to be doing something fun. It's a palette bingo. This is in collaboration with my friend Julia Rae Perez. I will be leaving her information down below. I would love for you to go check out her video. We're going to be using the Juvia's Place Masquerade Mini palette. This is a super fun palette, and it's got 8 cool tone shadows, 8 warm tone shadows, and a good mix of bright, fun, shimmery colors. So this is going to be really fun. So for this, we decided to use Siri as our random generator. So we just asked to pick a random number between 1 and 16. And the first number I got was 11. And that is the shade Cairo, right there. It's like a warm orangey brown. Next up, I got number 4. Which is this super fun, bright teal color named Zola. Third is number 9, which is the shade Giza. Fourth is number 3, which is this bright cobalt blue, another shimmer. So far we're up to 3 shimmers and a matte. And then finally, number 5, which is this bright purple shade named Makeda, also a shimmer. So this is going to be interesting and fun and quite the challenge. So let's get started. And those are the 5 shadows altogether that I will be creating this look with. All right, so what to do? Well, let's start off with the shade Cairo. This is the only neutral matte that I had, so I tried using that as a transition shade. I went a little heavy-handed. I wish that I would have built it up a little bit more, but these shadows are incredibly pigmented, so it's easy to get carried away with these. So I'm just blending that into my crease and creating a little bit of a transition. Next, I took the shade Dahlia, which is that bright cobalt blue, and put it into the outer corner. Looking back, I probably would have been better off putting the purple into here, and I kind of felt like a football team adding this blue right next to that warm orange, but that's all right. You live and you learn. So I'm putting that shade into the outer V, and I'm blending it out with the brush, and then I decided to go back in with my finger and add a little bit more pigment. These shadows look really nice and bold blended on with your finger. So that's where we're at so far. Next, I took Zola, that teal color, and put it onto the rest of my lid and made a nice blend between the 2 blues. And at this point, I am starting to look like a peacock. I'm not mad about it. Next, I am taking Makeda, the purple, and I am putting that all along the lower lash line. Like I said, I think if I were to do this look again, I would switch out the purple and the dark blue, and I think that would have a little bit of a blend. But these shades do look really nice under the lash line. They've just got a really brilliant pop of color, so that's pretty fun. And then last, I'm taking the Giza shade, I'm probably saying that wrong, and popping that into the inner corner. And that is going to complete the shadows for this look. So I'm going to apply the rest of my makeup, and here's the finished look. This was super fun. I'm so glad that we did this. I would love for you to go check out Julia's channel and the video that she did on this. It will be linked below. Thank you so much for watching and for stopping by my little corner of the internet. Have a great day. Bye.